Is it time to buy or sell Robinhood stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Robinhood. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 1st of August, 2025. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 2nd of May, 2025, our system has ranked Robinhood as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.11. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time period. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 105.6% since we first identified Robinhood as a buy candidate 63 days ago. This equates to an average return of 1.68% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 100.87% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 100.87% and 140.10%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 181.99%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 61.57% to 218.1% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between 161.41 and 317.69. Our latest daily update for Robinhood includes the headline, "Volatile Ride for Robinhood Stock Price on Friday Moving Between $93.36 and $104.59. The Robinhood stock price fell by 3.06% on the last day, Friday, the 1st of August, 2025, from $103.05 to $99.90. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 12.03% from a day low at $93.36 to a day high of $104.59. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 8.97% for this period. Volume increased on the last day by 19 million shares, but this occurred alongside falling prices. This may indicate an early warning, and the risk is expected to rise slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 76 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $7.56 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $113.44, and the lowest price was $13.98. Currently, the price is 11.94%, or $13.54, below the 52-week high of $113.44, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Robinhood Markets Incorporated, trading under the ticker symbol HOOD, has reported impressive results for the second quarter, showcasing a significant revenue increase of 45% year over year, totaling $989 million, which surpasses analyst expectations. This growth can largely be attributed to the rising activity in cryptocurrency and options trading, where the brokerage has seen transactional income soar. Adjusted earnings per share have doubled from the previous year, now standing at 42 cents, further solidifying Robinhood's upward trajectory. CEO Vlad Tenev emphasized how the company's performance reflects a maturation of retail trading, moving beyond the meme stock frenzy of the past. Despite this positive momentum, market analysts are expressing caution. The stock carries a high price-to-earnings ratio of 68, indicating it may be overvalued. Additionally, the sustainability of current earnings could be at risk due to potential interest rate cuts and cyclical trends in trading. In the short term, positive earnings reports typically boost stock prices, and the recent performance may help maintain investor confidence. However, in the longer term, if valuation concerns persist or if macroeconomic conditions shift adversely, HOOD's stock could face challenges. As the market absorbs this news, investors will closely monitor Robinhood's ability to sustain its growth amidst evolving trading dynamics and the broader economic landscape. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 30th of July, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Hood a neutral rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 30th of July, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned Hood an overweight rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 30th of July, 2025, it was reported that JMP Securities assigned Hood a market outperform rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 30th of July, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Hood an equal weight rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of July, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Hood an overweight rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Robinhood stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Robinhood. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, July 18, 2025, and so far it has fallen by 8.97%. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased while prices fell. This may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Some positive signals have also been identified, which may influence short-term developments. The Robinhood stock currently holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is simultaneously a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this results in a general buy signal for the stock, offering a positive outlook. Should there be further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $103.70. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at roughly $93.43. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will produce a sell signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal, recorded 11 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, identified 137 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal, noted 5 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal, recognized 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal, observed 71 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 60 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Robinhood. Robinhood is currently finding support from accumulated volume at $97.98. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. The stock experiences average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $11.23, which is equivalent to 12.03%. In the last week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 7.04%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Robinhood, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating high growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 28th of October, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Robinhood. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Robinhood is at $103.05. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Robinhood encounters its first support level at $97.98. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Robinhood from multiple analyst sources if to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 25th of July, 2025, pinner Jeffrey Savai conducted an insider sale of 5,864 shares of Class A common stock. On the 24th of July, 2025, Bot Baiju conducted an insider sale of 418,338 shares of Class B common stock. On the same day, Bot Baiju also conducted an insider purchase of 418,338 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Bot Baiju again conducted an insider sale of 418,338 shares of Class A common stock. On the 16th of July, 2025, Tenev Vladimir conducted an insider sale of 385,485 shares of Class B common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 23.116. Overall, insiders purchased 9,442,413 shares and sold 15,196,727 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $95.11, reflecting a decline of 4.79%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Furthermore, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 10 days ago. Is Robinhood stock a good buy? Several indicators are currently showing negative signals, which we believe will impact the stock's performance over the coming days and possibly weeks. Nonetheless, we see that today's price level presents a potential buying opportunity, with expectations that the price will rise during or by the end of this 3-month period. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 4th of August, we anticipate that Robinhood will open lower by approximately 617 ten-thousandths of a dollar, starting at $99.28. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments section. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.